marvel me how much impression Jamaican have on the world. A small little country like Jamaica is so impactful. Like, we go places in a big foreign, bro, and a person would hear my accent and they would say to me, "Where are you from?" "I'm from Jamaica." Jamaica! I love Jamaica. And have you ever been to Jamaica before? No, but I plan to go. Jamaica is such a wonderful place. I love the people. I love the food. It's like a big deal. Jamaica is such an inspirational place, yo. We're just happy to be a Jamaican. The aura where Jamaica bring off unmatched, isn't me? No disrespect to nobody else in the country, but everybody want a little bit of Jamaican in them, isn't me? Big up to everybody. We love Jamaica, you see? We love it too, yeah?
The Jamaicans managed to open up a Jamaican restaurant in every single country in the world. So I have traveled to around 20 different countries, and what I still don't understand is how every single place I've visited, I've always met a Jamaican person who has married a local, has mixed Jamaican kids, and has opened up a Jamaican restaurant with the best Jamaican food in town, which is the only Jamaican restaurant in town. Like, I understand if you are a person of Chinese or Indian descent, because China and India literally incorporate around a third of the entire world's population, and because of colonization. But Jamaica is a tiny island from the Caribbean. So my question is, how did you even find this country to immigrate to, first of all? Again, if you really do not believe me, literally, wherever you are in the world, look up Jamaican restaurant in your country and you will find it.
So I'm getting ready to go to Jamaica again. I can't wait for this next trip. And it's like the magical portal, the most magical portal that I've ever been to. And all my girlfriends are like, "Girl, you're going to Jamaica again?" And I'm like, yes, I am. And they're like, "Why do you love Jamaica so much?" And I'm like, "Girl, have you ever been to Jamaica? It's quite the most beautiful, most surreal, I just can't explain it. You just gotta go." And, I was trying to tell her the reasons why I love it, because I've been there the past year. I've been there 3 times, and I've been to a lot of different places. I've been to Dubai, I've been to Africa, I've been to Mexico, I lived in Spain. Like, I've been around, but something about Jamaica just does it for me. It's like everything. So the food is absolutely incredible. The people, I feel like I'm just home, you know what I mean? Everyone accepts me. It's just, I don't know, it's everything. The views, the vibes, like, it is just a good time, and I just can't wait because I'm gonna be there again, and I'm bringing more of my friends this time. So see you soon, Jamaica.
If you are a black person especially, and you're used to feeling like a second-rate citizen in your own country, and you come here and you are seen, you are appreciated, you are validated, and on top of that, you are laughing all day long. Why wouldn't you think this is paradise? It is paradise. Land that I love. This is the first place in the world that I felt like a human being. This is the first place that I felt truly seen. It was the times where I came to Jamaica to vacation as a child, and I barely made friends in the US. And in one weekend in Jamaica, I would make 10 friends. "Oh, you want to play dominoes with me?" I remember one Halloween, I didn't have a costume. Well, my mom got me a costume. I didn't like it, and she punished me for that. Anyway, when I went outside, the kids didn't care. They're ready to play with me. They're joking around, they're playing around. They did not care in the least. This is Jamaica, where character matters. People are real here. People truly see you here. And this is what makes it so special and so beautiful, and just such an iconic place to vacation, and hopefully for me to live.
So one of the things I've come to love about Jamaican culture is that, like, at first this was kind of hard but I like it because you don't ever have to wonder where you stand with somebody that's Jamaican. Like, if they don't like you, you know. If they love you, you know. I think that's refreshing because, yeah, I mean, we want to be polite, and I get that. And there's a time definitely you want to be that way, but it's also cool because you know, like, if somebody loves you or rocks with you, that it's like real, you know what I mean? It's not just polite. And so I think that's something that's really refreshing about Jamaica. So shout out for just keeping it real and leaving no room for questions, good and bad. Love y'all.
If you really want to party like a rock star, don't go to Miami, don't go to Vegas, go to Jamaica. We have parties at a water park, full adults, doing adult fun things at a water park. We have all-inclusive parties in the water, at the beach, with ice cream and food and drinks and performances and drones. We have parties where people bring boats into the middle of a sand dune in the middle of the water, surrounded by mountains and hills and views and people having the best time of their lives, okay? Partying in Jamaica isn't just an occasion, it's a lifestyle. Elders party with their children. I party with my mom growing up. Partying is part of our culture. It's a real thing. We have parties where people go on their head tops and people dance and jump on top of each other. We have bougie parties where people will escort you and drive you to the nicest, most decked out premises you've ever seen. And then even outside of parties, we have brunches on top of mountains overlooking everything. Like, it's insane. The amount of planning that goes into these Jamaican parties that the average person does not know about. There's no party in Miami that can compare. And if you want to go to a strip club, let's just say the strippers in Jamaica. I've I've been in Miami since I was 3 years old. I've been to multiple strip clubs. But never see one stripper who have anything upon a Jamaican stripper. The things they can do with their body. If you know, you know.
Do you like Jamaican food or Somali food?
I like Jamaican food, and the reason why I like Jamaican food here is because the taste. With Somali food, to me, don't get me wrong, I love Somali food, but I prefer Jamaican food.
The combination,
The taste. Whereas with Somali food, it's like rice and banana, pasta and banana. Everything comes with banana. Like, I got bored out of banana. By the time I was 17, I got bored out of banana.
So that's all. Okay, so what's your favorite culture? Somali culture or Jamaican culture?
Oh, I love the Jamaican culture. I love both, but I love Jamaican culture more. I like the vibes. I like the music. I like everything, basically.
The way they dance as well.
I love the way they dance as well. I love Jamaican. I think I'm obsessed with, like, the Jamaican
culture,
vibes and the culture. But I do love Somalis as well. It's the Jamaican vibes for me.
Okay, if you invited to a Jamaican party or a Somali party, which one would you go pick? Like, they're both on the same day. Which one would you pick?
Which one would I attend to? I'll go to the Jamaican party.
Are you not going to go to the Somali
I'm not
party?
going to go to the Somali. I'll go to the Jamaican party because for me, I love Somali weddings. I love the Somali parties, but I like the vibes of Jamaicans more. That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
I like their vibes. I like their music. I like the way they move. I like it.
My name is Passport Light.
Passport Light.
Yeah.
Wow, I've seen you are a content creator?
Yes.
I've seen you doing video about Jamaica. Why do you love Jamaica?
Bro, I love Jamaica. See, bro, my hand, you can see, bro. I love Jamaica.
Check this one. Wow, this is pure love. Jamaica, this is pure love. Why do you love Jamaica that so much?
Bro, I love Jamaica. It's my dream country. You know, people have dream of going to America, going to Canada. Me, my dream is Jamaica. When I get something, I'll go to Jamaica. I like Kingston. I can even give you some areas in Kingston.
Give me some areas in Kingston, Jamaica.
We have New Kingston.
New Kingston?
Yeah. We have Northbrook. We have Road Cross. There's many areas.
Wow.
But me, when I go to Kingston, I'm going to stay New Kingston.
You want to stay in New Kingston?
Yeah, because that's where Dim Mango was living when she went to there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why is this? There's that thing African people, the Mwango, African Tigress, Passport Light. You want to go to Jamaica? What is this one thing you want to go and see in Jamaica?
Actually, by the way, Jamaicans like Africans first. If you go to Jamaica, they told me that they will treat you as a king. Jamaicans like love Africans, and we Africans we love Jamaica. So there's that connection between the two. Yeah. So for me, when I go to Jamaica, I might even stay 3 months. Yeah. I'll go to Montego Bay, Spanish Town, Ocho Rios, all these areas.
Wow. So if someone sponsored you today and say come to Jamaica, you'll go?
Yes, for sure. Even today I'll go. Yeah. I'll go.
Wow. Anything else you know about Jamaica?
Bro, I know their music. I know they have a list of like Bob Marley, there's Five Cartel. There's so many musicians. Actually, I can say Jamaican music, I think is the one that put them like high level.
Okay.
Because everyone loves Jamaican music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, today I just wanted to know why Kenyans or why Africans love Jamaica. And I found one content creator, Passport Light. He was talking about Jamaica. I think you know him. I wanted to know what he loves about Jamaica. You have said you are going to stay there for how long?
Maybe 3 months.
3 months.
Actually, last time I did a video about why Africans like Jamaica. And I shared a story. I want to share with you also. Last time I was in this country, Uganda. I entered a barber shop. The moment I entered like this, I saw a guy. Actually, that guy was living in Jamaica, like outside Jamaica, you know. The way he made his hair, the music he has, the photos, everything was Jamaican.
Wow.
So I asked him, man, do you like Jamaica? I was like, I'm Jamaican Ugandan. I was like, man, I didn't know that. So this time I promise when I go to Uganda, I'll look with that guy.
Wow, that's pure love.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Keep on pushing my guy Passport Light.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelson. Kindly, if it is for your first time coming across my video guys, please show me some love by subscribing. Feel free to comment and also share to others. So guys, in those clips you have seen that Jamaican is loved by everyone. Jamaica is being loved by like everybody in this world. That me here, I live in Kenya, and Somalis are our neighbors. They are good people, and here in Kenya we have like more than 1 million Somalis living here. So guys, what am I trying to tell you? I'm trying to tell you that I've interacted with these Somalis. They are my friends, they are good people. And seeing that Somali is preferring Jamaican things, preferring almost everything of Jamaican, that showcases that Jamaican is being loved. Somali people are very patriotic to their nation, and they love their nation much. But that first clip showed that Jamaican is being loved by everybody. Like every person loves and admire Jamaica. So guys, you have seen that the lady was asked, the first question was asked between the Jamaican food and the Somalian food. The lady was like, oh, I do love I prefer the Jamaican food. Just imagine that the lady was raised eating Somalian food. He has enjoyed it, but when she was asked between the Jamaican food and the Somalian food, he preferred the Jamaican food. That shows that Jamaican is being loved. Many people love Jamaica. Many people wish that they could be Jamaica, or they could visit Jamaica. You know, the Somalian love their country so much and love their people so much, so that lady coming out and preferring Jamaican food, that showcases that Jamaican is being loved and many people love Jamaica. The other thing guy was, the lady was also asked between if there was a party right now, like the same time, between a Jamaican party and a Muslim party, which one will the lady prefer? The lady spoke out and said that at the same time, if the party was the same time, should rather go to the Jamaican party. This shows you guys that Jamaican people knows how to throw a party. These people are very talented in doing parties. Even me myself, I passed through some videos of Jamaica doing some party, and I'm like, oh God, help me please visit Jamaica and at least see it for myself, see it live, not on social media, because these guys knows how to throw a party. They do a party well. It's like there's no other party that can reach the Jamaican party. These people are very talented. They know how to throw a party and they enjoy themselves very well. These Jamaican people are very talented in throwing party. They are very talented. The other thing, the lady was asked between the Jamaican vibe and the Somalian vibe, and the lady said that she will prefer the Jamaican vibe. That these Jamaican people are good people. They have a good vibe. They are warm, welcoming. They love people, and they are good people. They love good vibes. They love people. They interact very well with people, and they are good people. Even me myself, I have a friend of mine who is a Jamaican, and they are a very good people. They are good-hearted people. They like helping. And when the lady said that she'll prefer Jamaican vibe, I think the lady was very right. These people are very good. I do love Jamaican, even me myself. So guys, this showcase that Jamaican is being loved by like almost everybody. Everybody loves Jamaica. Like here in Kenya, we do love Jamaican. Here, like some of the buses, like half of the buses here, they play reggae music. You know, Jamaican people, the legendary Bob Marley started the reggae music, and you know this reggae music never gets old. Even my child, I know my child will listen to reggae music, because this type of music never gets old, and it's being listened by generation and generation. Even me, I do listen to a song that was sung in like 1970. This type of music, they never gets old, and they have good message. I think Bob Marley said a record, because this song never gets old. They have a good message of encouragement. You can change the way you think. You can change the way of life of many people. That's why Jamaican is going verbal. Like many people love Jamaican because of things like that, like the music. Here in Kenya, we also love Jamaica because we support them. You know, the Jamaican have break many records in the track and field. They have showcased that Jamaican is the best in the track and field. They have break many records. They have brought medal to their nation, and many people knew them through the track and field. Like for me, guys, I knew Usain Bolt when I was still young. I remember my dad used to watch Olympics and was like, this young man is very fast. It's called Usain Bolt. So like me, I knew Usain Bolt through my dad when I was still young. So these Jamaican people have made their nation proud. They have break record. Many people knew Jamaica because of track and field, because of music, and many people do love Jamaican, and they want to visit Jamaica. The other thing, guys, is the culture. You know, when the Somalian lady was at between the culture of the Somali and the Jamaican culture, you can imagine the culture that the girl was raised, the culture that that the girl has interacted with so many Somalian people. But when she was asked between the Jamaican culture and the Muslim culture, the girl said she would prefer the Jamaican culture, because the Jamaican culture looks so vibrant. It looks like a vibe, how they dress, how they do their things. That showcase that Jamaican is being loved globally. Like here in Kenya, like most buses here nowadays, I see most buses, they have graffiti, like arts of the legendary Usain Bolt, Bob Marley, and they look very well. They have drawn they have like flags of Jamaica. We are in Kenya, we love Jamaica. Not only in Kenya, but even in Africa, we do love Jamaica. Like here in Kenya, we have those buses having graffiti of Sharika Jackson, having the graffiti of Usain Bolt, and we love. And me myself, I wished one day to visit Jamaican, because Jamaican is a very good country. I've watched some of their videos. I do like watching Jamaican videos. I cannot scroll past like 4 videos to 5 videos without seeing any Jamaican reels or on TikTok. So guys, what I want to tell this guy, if you don't like Jamaican, just stay out of internet. Just stay out of TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all internet, because you'll get disappointed. Because when you don't love Jamaica and you're still on those apps, you will never miss. When you scroll like 4 video, you find that there is a video featuring Jamaica. There is a video praising Jamaica. There is a video showcasing that Jamaican is still doing great. There is a video that shows that Jamaican is still on top. So guys, when you don't love Jamaica, just know you will not survive. The only way to survive is just to get out of this internet and go offline. But Jamaican, I think, is a very good land. Me myself, I love Jamaican. I wish I could visit Jamaican. I see even here in Kenyan artists, many people would love to do collab with Jamaican, because Jamaican songs are going global. Like here, I've seen many, like some podcasts, many many artists would like to do collaboration with Jamaica. And I've seen many people are doing posters say that they would like Vibes Cartel. You know, Vibes Cartel is a musician there in Jamaica, and people here in Kenya do love his music. Many people want to, they are doing posters that they want at least Vibes Cartel to come and visit Kenya. They want to see Vibes Cartel live. So guys, show me some love by subscribing. I love you all. Feel free to comment, share to other people.